Ayan o.
Leonardo, nakasabay Castillo. Bakulod.
Si Ray naman! Pasok na si Ray!
Valderrama. 2-4 to there by Valderrama.
Mama, mama, papa, papa, I love you! Yahoo!
Evangelista on the rainbow area. Evangelista! 3!
Chris!
Happening violation. One step too many.
Ha?
One, two,
Ate, punta sa bahay. Sige, tawagan ka namin pag gano'n, ha? Dito kami, nanonood. Nandito nga. Last quarter na.
Kaya nga yun, ang galing oh. Parang kiti-kiti oh.
To Castillo inside center. Miles.
Bumawi.
Nice block there by number 14. By number... Nice. Nice intercept.
Dakdak mo!
Castillo. But there's a foul. Spotted by the referee. There's a foul. No basket. Against number 35. Valderrama. Second personal foul call against Valderrama. Second personal foul call against... Substitution. Sino?
Hindi pa hindi pa kilala.
Yugas.
Hindi pa nga nakakatira oh.
Yugas.
Shot.
Evangelista.
Lakay, tira lakay.
Harry fires.
Harry Potter.
Ball by itself. Almost.
Wala yung stick eh.
Whistle blows and it's great jersey ball.
Meron na pala nagbe-video nun eh. Ba't nagbe-video pa ako?
Iba naman yun, no? Iba naman yun.
Aborde. Leonardo.
Ayan oh.
Pass to almost 10 seconds shot clock. Aborde. To number 32. Back. Bola by baseball pitch to
Kuya, Lo?
Along. Almost. Agas.
Wala kasi si Mare.
Agas. 2-4 to there by Agas.
Last 2 minutes.
Evangelista on the dribble. Setting the play. Evangelista. To Yugas. Evangelista. On the rainbow area, Evangelista fires, no good. Ball on by Castillo, no good again. Power rebound there by Leonardo to Aborde. Aborde zigzagging. Inside pass to number 35. To number 1, Agas. To number 32. Lagas ka, but the whistle blows. The referee spotted the foul. The referee spotted the foul. All against number 24, Yugas. Substitution, Along. Castillo.
Buhangin.
Out, in, Jua. Number 10. Nice intercepted by Evangelista. Quick ground pass. But the whistle blows, nagtuturuan. Who's guilty? So it's Grace ball. Lagas having the play, waiting for his to Agas. Almost intercept by Chua to Evangelista. But the whistle blows. There's a foul spotted by the referee. Call against number 7. Number 17. Number 17. Aporte.
Kagiwa.
Aporte. Second personal foul. Call against Aporte. Substitution ref. Sino? Tirador. First try is in. Ilalabas nyo ba yan? Ang daming ginagawa niya.
Pagbigyan na may iba.
Ikaw nag-react.
Oo, dami nga oh.
is out.
Dalawang team yan eh.
Rebound by number by Lagas. To Agas. To Aborde. Aborde from the perimeter. 2 for 2 by Aborde.
San, dakdak mo naman, San.
To Evangelista.
Yan ang hinihintay ni Darwin.
Eh, no, ilalim. 3 araw na, oh.
Yan o.
Hari. Almost. Nice grab by. There's a foul. Kunin ko lang ha. Who's foul? Who's guilty? Who's guilty of the foul?
Abu Dhabi.
Number 35. Yun, pinakasang kamay. Sabi ito yun. 35. Out. In San Jose. Number 14.
Sos!
San Jose tsaka si Jose.
Evangelista out.
Dali ba? Tapis kayo puntador. Tapis kayo
Third
puntador.
personal foul against the number 35.
Tapis kayo puntador.
Ready jumper.
Dali ba? Ganun na ito. Nagsimot-simot.
Anak niya.
Ah!